You are watching Master of PDFs.
Group name and search notes.
So we've got your notes scanned from day 1 and from 3 different classes. Now we need to make sure that we put them in the right place to easily find and use in the future. You want meaningful but brave names for your notes. You don't really want to add the date, so stick to serial numbers. For example, history abbreviation 1, 2, 3, or use a specific topic covered in class. For example, the Roman Empire. But if you're stuck, let AI help you. In the settings menu, set document naming format to automatic, and AI will create relevant names for your notes. Super easy. Each class should have its own separate folder. The iScanner app has a handy file system to organize your notes. You can create folders, check the trash folder in case you deleted any files by accident, use a save folder with a password and a decoy password for all your private documents, sync devices with the cloud, and work with files on your computer with iScanner Web to see them on a bigger screen. But what if you need it right here, right now, and jumping through folders isn't an option? Go to My Files, tap the search field, and choose Name Search. Type the file name, parts of the name, or any numbers the file name may contain into the search bar. As you type, the app will present you with relevant files. You can also use Content Search if you don't remember any part of the name. In that case, the app will use OCR to recognize all your documents. It might take some time, but it's worth doing for future ease. So, easy scan, easy name, easy store, easy find. What's left? Oh yeah, let's put the whole course together, shall we?
Next on Master of PDFs.